In this video, we will learn about the Java main method. Java main method, we know it is an entry point of program. Whenever we run the program, then main method it is run first. So in this video, we will remove some keyword from the main method and check it is still runnable or not. So first we create one program, alternate way, and first implement the main method, public static void main, and add one SOP void main print. I run this program, check void main is print. Now we can remove some keyword from this main method. First public static void main, I just comment out and remove public keyword. Now let's see is runnable still or not. Now it is runnable. So we can also create a main without public. Next, I remove static keyword and run this program. Let's see it is runnable or not. Now see, without static keyword, it is still runnable. So Java 25 has a great features. We can implement flexible main method. So now next the possibility we can remove the arguments. Now again I comment out and remove the comment from the parenthesis and check it is still runnable or not. Now void main method is still runnable. So we can implement main method in a Java 25 in flexible way. So it is great features